forgot to show you guys, but when I showed you guys the wind chimes over there on my porch, on my new porch, I actually also, that same day, I also put a mindfulness chime right here. Oh my gosh. You can hear my wind chimes out there. I'm probably going to go back out there in a minute because it's so windy. Thinking about putting some more stuff out here, not like specifically wind chimes. Because I don't want it to get too loud since people will probably get upset. Because this one by itself is already like so pretty. I don't think it honestly needs any more wind chimes to complement it. Because unless I get like the medium or something, I'd probably put it in the tree too. I don't know why it keeps lagging. Sorry guys, it just will not stop lagging. Okay, I do know for sure it is so cold out here. I'm probably gonna put like some decorations up though, here soon. One more big gust over here and then I'm gonna come back around. Oh my gosh. It's roaring. Huge gusts. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my gosh, you hear my time's going crazy. Oh my gosh. Am I on the wind? Here it goes. Here's a little more. Oh my gosh, it's actually so cold out here. Enough to say that like multiple times, but it's like so cold. This shit is quite warm. I think I'll probably leave this one here for, I think like a little bit. I'm probably not going to change this one out. Honestly. I might probably, like say for example, if it starts getting like damaged, like kind of like really badly damaged, I might actually have to take it down, but I think I'm just gonna leave it here. It's really pretty. Wow, oh my gosh. I'm gonna grind at my times. Oh my gosh. It's even windy around here, I think. Fix this one's wind catcher. Most of y'all probably already noticed how all my videos lately have been longer. It's also because I've been uploading as much, so I thought maybe I should just make them longer to accompany that. Like I've been uploading nearly as much. Probably will upload more, hopefully. Oh yeah, speaking of wind chimes, look at this one. at that. The top of this one is like bowing. Like really, really bad. Look at that. I literally have only had this one outside for like, I'd say just like under a month. Because I started moving my stuff over here on this, not even a month. Like I've moved all my stuff over here on the 2nd. And this one has been protected most of the time it was over there, so it had nothing on it. And then, I guess because it's rained so much, look at that, guys, it's a mold on the wind catcher. It froze again. Hello? Okay, there we go. Yeah. Look at that. It's molding, and like the top is like completely like warped. Because yesterday it wasn't like this. I think it's where it rained this morning, and then the wind started blowing like really, really hard, and maybe that's what caused it. And I don't know. I don't think this is normal for these Woodstock chimes, so I'm thinking about emailing them about it, because that does not look right. It's not supposed to do that. See, like this one I've had for like, as you guys know, I've had this one for like 3 years, 2 or 3 years, and it still looks relatively the same. It looks a little bit, oh my gosh, that's big guys. It looks a little moldy at the top, but not really, honestly, guys. This one's still in pretty good shape. Oh, well, this one was been exposed to the elements longer than that one has, and this one's still perfectly fine. See, this one still looks exactly the same. This one's rotten and moldy. So I might actually have to call about it. Oh my god. This is so windy today. Yeah, but I honestly think I'm going to call about this one. Try to see if I can get like a replacement or something, or get like a different chime. This one's like rotting. I'm probably going to have to just bring it in and not like put it out for as long. Or like put it under, put it underneath like somewhere where it's protected so that it won't like rot any further, because I don't know if I can show you. I'll probably make like a separate video about it. But I have a wind chime that's over there right now that's like completely rotted, and I only left it outside for like, I think like a month or 2. Well, it's been outside for over like 3 months now, but I remember I checked on it after a month and it was completely destroyed. So I'm probably gonna have to. No, I can't call about that one because that one's like 2 years old. It's the one I bought Upland Outdoors. Oh my gosh, it's just blowing so good at today. I'll probably make a separate video about it. Anyways, guys, I think I'm going to have to go because my hands are literally freezing. Bye, guys.